Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm actually making this video. I'm finally making this video. But it's happening, guys. It's done. It's finally done. It's published. This is something I have worked on for nearly 2 years, and I'm just so incredibly grateful for being able to share it with you now. As you can see, this is a practice journal for musicians of all instruments and levels, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about it in this very excited manner. I will try to calm down, and hopefully you will see if this is something for you or not, but I'm pretty sure you will like it. So I worked on this together with Cappy, and we designed this practice journal for musicians as more of a guided journey, helping you to explore more about yourself while also obviously staying connected to your practice goals. So rather than simply tracking or planning what you're going to do and leaving you to figure out everything alone, it gently shapes how you think, how you practice, and reflect over time. At its core, the journal is essentially built on different chapters: observation, planning, and reflecting, and each of these skills will build up on each other chapter by chapter, and eventually coming together with in a main chapter where you basically combine all these skills you just learned. One of my favorite parts of the journal is that every few sessions you'll encounter unique and playful challenges, a total of 30 throughout the whole journal. And these are designed to spark curiosity and to pull you out of your repetitive routines and do things in a way you maybe wouldn't otherwise. These challenges are completely optional. You don't have to do them. It's really up to you, but I think completing them can be a lot of fun and very insightful. Between the practice sessions, you'll also find checkpoints. And these are short 1 or 2 page long text breaks that offer engaging, research-based insights into how learning, your mind, and practice actually work from a more scientific perspective, along with my personal experiences and reflections that inspire me to practice. And these checkpoints are carefully integrated into the whole process, so they feel relevant to where you are in the journal. Now, to keep everything simple and clear, the journal also includes some tracker sheets at the end, which I really love. I use them a lot, and you can simply use this to track your progress or what you're working on, even when you don't feel like completing an actual journal page. So sometimes you just want to track if you did something or not, and these tracker sheets are perfect for that. You can also find some artworks in the journal, which I made. They are all made by me. And Cappy was working on color coding the whole journal, which is really helpful in navigating where you are and which parts of the journal are, belong together. So as you can see, every detail has been carefully crafted through 2 years of writing, drawing, editing, rewriting, redrawing, re-editing, and doing that a couple more times to reach this point. And the result is a journal that I think feels really intuitive and genuinely useful. We've tested it several times, and I'm pretty sure that it will become a helpful companion for your musical growth and journey, rather than just another notebook you toss in the drawer after a few weeks. I also think it's fun to look at how many different versions we had along the way. So we tested some hardcover versions. We also had different cover ideas, and so many tests went into the whole process until we reached this point. I think it's also important to mention that we also designed a digital version for my iPad buddies and for similar devices. And this isn't just a simple PDF copy of the whole thing. Cappy actually spent weeks and weeks adapting the journal for digital use. He even made an ink-friendly version for printing, so you can print only the most relevant pages while reading the more text-heavy sections on your preferred device. It's all grouped into different folders. It's very intuitive, and I think it's impossible to screw it up if you read a teeny tiny short manual. But the journey doesn't end here, because if you decide to pick it up, I'd really love to hear from you, so please be sure to share your experience, what you enjoyed, what you wish were different. We can continue shaping it in ways that better fit your needs, and that's why I need your feedback. Really, my biggest hope is that with this journal, you can grow, and that the journal also can grow with your support. You can find the physical version on Amazon and the digital one in my shop, but all links will be in the description and in pinned comments. And really, just a huge thank you for everyone who supported me over this project. I was heavily relying on my Patreon supporters in this period, and I'm just incredibly grateful for being able to dedicate so much time and work to this. And I think it turned out so much better than I could ever have imagined. So thank you everyone, and please let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you soon. Bye! Bye!